Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we take you through the latest legal developments across the nation. Before we begin today, a very happy new year to all our viewers. Now let's take a look at the headlines. Supreme Court Collegium recommends transfer of Justice Shree Chandrashekhar from Jharkhand to Rajasthan High Court. Gujarat High Court directs police investigation into rape allegations against Cadila Pharmaceuticals CMD. Centre declares Tehreek-e-Hurriyat as unlawful association under UAPA. Gujarat government lifts liquor ban in Gift City, introduces new regulations for alcohol service. Now the headlines in detail. In a recent development, the Supreme Court Collegium, led by the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, and also comprising Justice Sanjeev Khanna, Justice B.R. Gavai, Justice Suryakant and Justice Aniruddha Bose, has resolved to recommend the transfer of Justice Shree Chandrashekhar from the High Court of Jharkhand to the Rajasthan High Court. The decision comes as a result of a formal request submitted by Justice Chandrasekhar, the senior-most judge at the Jharkhand High Court. The communication made on December 29, 2023 requested for a transfer, which in turn led to be approved by the Collegium. The official notification stated, acceding to his request, the Collegium resolves to recommend that Justice Shree Chandrashekhar be transferred to the Rajasthan High Court. In response to a directive from the Gujarat High Court, local police have registered a case against the chairman and managing director of Cadila Pharmaceuticals, Rajiv Modi, and another company employee, Johnson Matthew. The allegations involve rape, assault, and intentional insult filed by a Bulgarian woman who had worked as a flight attendant for the pharmaceutical company. The accused have been charged under sections 376, 354, and 504 of the Indian Penal Code. Additionally, complaints of criminal intimidation and human trafficking have also been made by the woman victim. The Bulgarian woman submitted in her plea detailed experiences of sexual harassment since November 2022. She claims that she was dismissed in April 2023 on raising allegations against the CMD. The woman also contends that despite initially approaching the police with a complaint, her case was not investigated, which prompted her to file a complaint before the magistrate. Her attempts, however, were allegedly dismissed, leading her to seek intervention from the High Court. The High Court observed that the magistrate should have forwarded the complaint for police investigation under Section 156, subsection 3 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, given the cognizable nature of the offences. The High Court then directed the police to investigate the matter under the said provision and specified that the investigation be supervised by a senior IPS officer nominated by the Deputy Inspector General, Law and Order, and be completed within a period of 2 months. The Government of India, in a significant move, has officially declared Tehreek-e-Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir as an unlawful association under Section 3, subsection 1 of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act of 1967. Union Home Minister Amit Shah took to X to announce the decision, while highlighting the organization's alleged involvement in separatist activities in Jammu and Kashmir and aiming to establish an Islamic rule in the state. Amit Shah stated that the outfit is targeted for its role in spreading anti-India propaganda and perpetuating terror activities to fuel secessionism in Jammu and Kashmir. The Home Minister emphasized on the government's zero-tolerance policy against terrorism and its commitment to swiftly thwarting any individual or organization engaged in anti-India activities. In a groundbreaking development, the Gujarat government has announced the lifting of the liquor ban in the Gujarat International Finance Tech City, that is the Gift City area, allowing hotels, clubs and restaurants to serve alcohol to their patrons. Gujarat has traditionally been a dry state since its inception in 1960. And the move comes just a week after the initial announcement and is accompanied by a set of comprehensive rules and guidelines for establishments in Gift City. According to the Gazette notification, any unit within the Gift City seeking to obtain an FL3 license for serving liquor must submit an application in Form A to the Superintendent of Prohibition and Excise in Gandhinagar. After a thorough verification, the superintendent will forward the proposal with recommendations to the Gift Facilitation Committee for a final decision. Upon approval, the Superintendent of Prohibition and Excise will issue the FL3 license. The new regulations specify that the licensee is permitted to serve liquor exclusively within the approved wine and dine facility area. To obtain the license for this facility, establishments are required to pay an annual fee of Rs 1 lakh along with a security deposit of 2 lakh rupees. The government outlined that the license holders must comply with the Gujarat Prohibition Act of 1949. Additionally, liquor service will be subject to liquor access permits, which will be issued to individuals aged 21 and above. The LAPs will be granted through recommending officers preparing lists of employees seeking the same, and they will be valid for a period of 2 years and can be renewed thereafter at an annual fee of 1000 rupees only. If a permit holder ceases to be an employee of the gift city, the permit will be cancelled automatically. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.